Okay, I'm going to show you how to cut a bowl with these wheeled nippers. You just want to take your nippers and put them right on the edge, just like that. Not too far in, because then it takes more pressure to cut. So you want to just put them in at an angle and bite down. Okay, and then what I do is go, because I want to save as much of this design as I can, I just go right on the inside where the bowl starts to turn to go down to the rim. And then just take a little bite. It's going to break off in sections like that. Go all the way around the bowl. If it doesn't break when you squeeze it the first time, bring your nippers back off towards the edge and bite down again. Okay, now you have the whole outside part, but you want to keep this whole. So what you're going to do is cut down towards the rim, and you're going to have to go around again, just cutting off all of those. Just put your nippers right down there by the rim and squeeze. Go all the way around. If you happen to cut in to the rim area, you can put your nippers right on the inside of those and make a cut like that. And then part of your rim is cut off, so you just take your nippers and go on the inside of the rim and make little cuts each time. Your nippers are going to go to the inside of the rim, but all the way as far as they can go, towards away from the focal part. And then again, if it doesn't want to break the first time you squeeze it, just back your nippers off just a little bit. You're going to go all the way around until you have cut the rim off so that your focal will lay flat. There you go. Your rim is removed and your focal lays flat. Now if you want to cut these outer tiles off, you just go to where your design is. This is a little rose, so I want to go just in between where the roses are. So you just put your nippers in there and press down a little bit. Now you want to take the part that's not flat off. So you just turn it the other way, and then you have a tile that lays flat. Here's another one that has a little bit of the curve on it. So you just, wherever the curve is where you put your nippers, and just press down. Just like that. Press down. Press down. Here's a little bit of a rim. It won't lay flat, so you want to break that off. So you just put your nippers right in there by the rim. Sometimes they don't come off all in one piece, so you just have to take another bite. I recommend starting off with salad dishes because they're a lot easier to cut than dinner dishes. They're not as thick. But you can cut a bowl up, you can cut a salad dish, a saucer. You can really cut anything with these nippers, and they also cut stained glass as well. You might have to tighten with your Allen wrench because you don't want your wheels to go around. They work better when they stay stationary. That's how you do it.